Alright folks, this one we're going to try to beat the camera battery. It says I got 25%, so I'm going to try to knock this one out real quick before I start a mass upload and absolutely just devastate my YouTube channel. But this one is, I've got no clue how to pronounce his name or what that says. I'm going to call it the X-10. This one I got from Leon. Go check his channel out if you haven't already, which you should have if you're watching my channel. I looked for this guy. I don't see a YouTube channel for him out there. But yeah, if you're not already, join Discord. Got a server going. Links in the invite. The invite link is in the description. Get on there. Got a killer pin making contest going on right now. Still have yet to announce the prizes. I know Don's Locks, he is sending some locks in for me for the prizes, and I will get those out whenever we have a winner and I get them in, if the winner wants to wait. If not, I can send him what I've got and send those later. Or if he wants me to, I'll keep them. You know, just saying. So, we're going to clamp this up. And let's see how bad this lock hurts me. Alright. Let's see. We're going short hook and bottom of the keyway. Since it is a Yale, that's my favorite approach. And we are going with an 18 thousandths short hook by Peterson. I don't know if y'all like knowing what hooks I use or anything like that, so if you do, let me know and I'll make sure to start doing it, you know, saying what I'm using more often. But for right now, that's what I got. Alright, that was number 4. Number 3. That was number 1. Number 2 is acting like it's wanting to give counter, but yeah. Judging by the fact that I've set everything else, I'm gonna guess and say that number 5 is the one that's left. Oh, too far. Okay, that was 4. No, it was 3. My bad. 2. 1 is still set. And we're open. I was hoping that wouldn't take too long. Still sitting at 22, oh, still sitting at 22% battery power. So, got plenty of time left, hopefully. And we've got a spring clip. No, not a spring clip, a bendy clip. There we are. Let's toss that over there on the pinning tray and zoom you guys in a bit. I believe it opened on a spool, but I've got no idea, to be honest. So we're gonna shim it. Alright. See what he's got done in here. Let's see. I just realized I forgot to do this on the last couple I did. All pins are in and working, and yeah, that is a 5-pin. Wow, I lost 2% on the battery really quick. Alright. I'll show you all the pins and call them out when I get everything unloaded. There it is. Trying to hide it on myself. Looks like he tried to thread it, but it didn't thread right. I'm not going to call that threading because that's like scratches in the walls of the cylinders. That's all those are. Alright. Pretty cool pins in here. So far, all steel springs. And all spools. Okay. I am not going to question that because I don't know how that actually goes in there. Or if it was meant to go the other way. Because that... yeah, there's nothing done to this hop. Yeah, Leon, you'll have to tell me, since I got this from you, you'll have to tell me if that's the right way that goes in or not. That's the way it came out, so that's the way I'm going to show it. If it's not the right way, comment in the section and let me know. Alright, got a nice serrated, well, a step spool with a tapered spool on top, serrated keeping in 2, and a step spool in the in the driver. None looks serrated from the side on the key pin for 3, and a mushroom spool for 4, or for the driver. For 4, serrated key pin with a wedding cake is what it looks like, which I believe it should be the other way around, but you know, not my lock. Serrated for 5, and a serrated spool for the driver, and all steel springs. I know, before people start yelling at me, you didn't do this on the last video. I know, because it was all commercial. But very nice pins on this one. And like I said, go check out Leon. His channel is gonna be, his link's gonna be in the description. Go check out the Discord server. Leon's on there. We got a lot of amazing people on there. A lot of great pickers. A lot of great guys. Yeah, I got some people that are trying to find trades that haven't found anybody to trade with yet. And you know, get on there, trade with them. They're offering some really great locks to trade with, or to trade for, so I say get on there, trade with them, but that's just me. But until next time, folks, keep it legal. Check out Discord, check out Leon's channel, and I will catch you later. See ya.